Hey there, future Scrum Masters. Are you ready to unlock your Scrum potential? At Mindbell Training, I've got just the program for you. Let's dive into what makes our Scrum training your perfect choice. First, let's talk syllabus. We start with Scrum Basics. Here you'll get a solid understanding of Scrum components, vocabulary, principles, flow, and the overall framework. It's the perfect foundation for your learning journey. Next up, roles and responsibilities. I'll help you explore various Scrum roles, from Scrum Master to Product Owner and even Project Manager. You'll understand the scope and responsibilities of each role, setting you up for success in any Scrum environment. Then we move to Product Vision. You'll gain insights into creating a compelling product vision, learn how to help your team embrace Scrum practices, and see how a strong vision ties into the product roadmap. Powerful stuff, right? Now let's talk estimating. I'll guide you through project estimations, the impact and levels of estimates, and understanding the accuracy and precision needed. You'll also learn to differentiate between committing and estimating, ensuring your projects stay on track. The product backlog is next. Here you'll dive into core concepts, understand grooming practices, and how to maintain a healthy backlog. Essential skills for any Scrum professional. Prioritizing comes after. You'll learn to prioritize the product backlog effectively, understand its benefits, and adjust the sequence of work for maximum impact. It's all about making the right choices at the right time. Release management is crucial too. I'll teach you about release planning, frequency, managing quality, and understanding technical depth. You'll also get to grips with velocity, burn-down charts, and how to predict future releases. Lastly, we cover sprints. You'll explore the product owner's role in Scrum meetings, collaboration with the team, and why sprints are time-boxed. Plus, you'll dive into the concept of a sustainable pace and team commitment. Important insights for maintaining momentum. Now, how do we deliver all this awesomeness? Choose from our interactive classroom training with accredited trainers, online training led by industry experts, corporate group training with flexible methods, or focused one-to-one training for a personalized approach. So, why Mindbell? Mindbell Training is an innovative edtech company dedicated to your success. Our programs are designed with the latest trends and best practices, ensuring you get the most relevant training. We believe in the power of education to transform lives and organizations. Our mission is to help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. Ready to start your Scrum journey? Contact us at support@mindbell.com or give us a call. Let's make your Scrum dreams a reality with Mindbell Training. See you in the training sessions.